Are you looking for a proven social media strategy to attract an audience, build trust, and passively generate more leads and sales? When my mom and I launched our brand, we were social media nobodies. We had no audience, no influence, and in this video, I'm sharing the 5-step social media funnel that we use to go from scratch to $300,000 in sales in just 10 months without launching, without filling our calendar with Zoom meetings, or sending a single cold message in DMs. My name is Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. If you're like most people, you probably spend a lot of time searching on Google and scrolling through social media looking for strategies to grow your business. That's exactly what we did when we decided to launch the Global Freedom Community. We had all these big ideas, we had knowledge that we were excited to share with the world, and we had a vision for the type of community that we really wanted to create. But we had no idea how to attract an audience on social media or how to make our efforts profitable even if we did. The first thing we noticed was the sheer volume of information out there. It seemed like everyone had the best way to grow a profitable online business, but none of them were telling the whole story. So we invested so many hours and so many dollars into so many programs. One to learn how to create webinars, another to build funnels, one to learn how to market on Facebook, and another one for Instagram, and yet another one for YouTube. We even bought courses that taught us how to create digital courses. And in the end, all that we had left was a bunch of random strategies that didn't fit together and often contradicted each other. Despite all of this investment, we had not even made a single sale. At this point, we were kind of at the end of our rope. We knew it was time to either start making money or just give it all up completely, because what we had was not a business. It was an expensive, time-consuming hobby that was sucking up all of our energy and resources. Thankfully, my mom and I both come from an entrepreneurial background, and our prior business success had taught us a lot of valuable lessons about how to start and grow more traditional businesses. So we took everything that we'd learned, we laid it all out on the kitchen table, and we asked ourselves, how can we take all these random strategies and cull it down to the specific income-producing activities that will make our business profitable? It took a lot of trial and error, a lot of testing, but what we found at the end of the day is that building a profitable online business comes down to 5 simple steps. Once we got our steps locked in, it was like magic. Within 30 days, we went from having never made a single sale to bringing in $4,307 in revenue. The next month, our sales tripled and we brought in over $13,000. Within 10 months, we had crossed that $300,000 milestone, and today we run a 7-figure global branded business that we run from our laptops in just a few hours a week. So, what are the 5 steps that made such a drastic difference? Let's dive into them. The first step to building a profitable social media presence is to attract. You can have the best products, services, and business on the planet, and if no one knows you exist, you won't make any money. But it's not enough to just attract an audience. You need to attract the right audience, your ideal clients and customers. Some questions to ask yourself here are, who is your ideal client? What problems can you help them solve? Who do you help and how do you help them? Once you know that, it comes down to consistently posting content on social media that calls out that person and shows them you are the resource to help solve their problem, while also having a balance of posts that turn a cold lead into a warm prospect and later into a hot customer. This requires having a really balanced posting plan. While the plan can vary slightly from platform to platform, one thing that is the same is that you need a balanced strategy of posts that are meant to attract, posts that nurture, and posts that convert. If you want to dive deeper into these 3 categories and see some specific examples for each one, check out this video. The second step is capture. If someone sees your content online and then they go about their day and forget that you ever existed, it's not going to do much good. You must capture them and bring them deeper into your world. This includes capturing a casual viewer's attention so that they become a follower, but it also includes capturing views and followers and converting them into leads. You cannot build a house on rented land. And as wonderful as platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, as great as they are, the fact is you don't own them, right? They could go away or change at any moment. And as an entrepreneur, it's essential that you start building an email list of subscribers you actually own. My mom and I learned this the hard way when we lost our entire Facebook page with 30,000 followers overnight. Thankfully, we had been building an email list, just like you should be doing, and since 95% of our monthly revenue comes from that list, our business didn't suffer by losing our largest social media account. The easiest way to capture emails or leads online is to create a free PDF download. Your future subscribers and future customers will willingly give their name and email in exchange for a cheat sheet, a checklist, a guide, anything that falls within your niche and helps solve a problem that they have. If you want to see our 7 great ideas for how to build an email list for free, check out this video. The third step in your social media strategy is to nurture. Write this down, okay? People do business with people. By nurturing your audience and creating a level of know, like, and trust, you won't just build an audience, but an audience of raving fans who love to buy and do business with you. There are so many ways that you can nurture your audience. Some of our favorites are through weekly email newsletters, inside a private Facebook group, through weekly hero content like this video you're watching now, and so many more. The best part is by simply showing up consistently for your audience, you will put yourself light years ahead of the competition in terms of building trust with them. The fourth step is convert. I'm going to be real honest. We are not big fans of vanity metrics. Things like likes, comments, followers, even email subscribers might feel good, but if you're not consistently converting them into sales for your business, you won't be in business very long. One of the questions we get a lot is, how long before I can start making money with my business? Our answer, right away. We started making money the very same week that we committed to growing our email list because we had the right systems and steps in place to convert our new subscribers into sales. It's essential that you have the steps in place to funnel your audience into your offers and services, always reminding them of the next step they can take to learn even more from you. The easiest way to do this when you're first starting out is to create a freebie offer that leads to a micro offer. A micro offer is a low-priced digital product that introduces your subscriber to the kind of content that you have to offer. Micro offers might be priced at $7, $17, or $27, just as an example. And they might be a more detailed PDF, or they could even be a video. It is important that your micro offer be congruent with your freebie that you offered in the capture step. If you want to see the freebie micro offer funnel that we used to build our email list to the tens of thousands while passively generating over $88,000 in sales to brand new leads we had never spoken to, check out this video. Okay, the final step in the social media strategy is upgrade, okay? According to Russell Brunson, founder of ClickFunnels, 1,000 true fans is all you need to earn $100,000 a year from your business. A true fan is not a casual follower or an email subscriber. They are a raving fan who is eager to consume and buy anything and everything you promote. You don't build an audience of 1,000 true fans without becoming a person of true value. We all have those negative buying experiences that have left us saying, I will never buy from that company ever again. However, by creating a true fan culture within your business, you can turn first-time buyers into lifetime customers. So many people get stuck here because they don't understand how to connect the dots between growing an audience and converting sales. But when you do the first 4 steps of this formula right, the sales are automatic. You have an audience of buyers lining up to buy whatever you decide to sell or recommend to them. My mom and I are known for helping female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle through a profitable social media presence. Hearing this, it would make sense that our audience would consistently buy our digital courses, coaching packages, and affiliate offers whenever we promote them, right? But you might be surprised to hear that we also do an average of $2,000 in sales every single month with our network marketing products, which are health and wellness products. Vitamins, collagen, gut health, these things have nothing to do with our niche. But we have built a big audience who knows us, likes us, and trusts us. So when we show up and share those things on social media, specifically in our stories, we always get sales. We regularly recruit new people into our network marketing business for the same reason. In fact, we recruited over 100 people in the last 2 years without prospecting a single one. How? When somebody who's in our world and isn't happy with their current income streams, or maybe they're wanting to add an additional income stream to their business, they often reach out to us asking to learn more about partnering with our team. Whenever we launch a new product or service or decide to do a live promotion for an existing product or service, we know we will always have a group of people who are lining up ready to buy from us. Because they have had good experiences with us in the past, they know our products and our programs will help them create the results that they desire, and most importantly, they trust us and our recommendation. A true fan culture happens when you show up consistently for your audience while also consistently offering solutions to their biggest problems and providing them with opportunities to upgrade their investment and experience with you. If you want to dive deeper into all 5 of these steps and explore some of the big ideas around how to quickly implement them into your business, we invite you to join us for our free Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. Inside, we not only share some of the more specific strategies for taking action in these 5 steps, but we also highlight the biggest mistakes we see people make in every single step so you can avoid them. You can reserve your seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training. All right, that's all I got for now. I have asked you to recommend the best next video for you, which you can watch right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.